thermaBliss Mobile Massage Kit delivers game-changing massage technology for sanitary, client-exclusive treatments. These self-heating and self-cooling applications, lasting up to 90 minutes, activate with a patented blend of natural minerals and water. The kit includes non-porous engineered ceramic stones and shells, ready-made detoxifying Thai stem poultices, and medical-grade brush-on paraffin. thermaBliss mineral technology generates its own heat or chill and eliminates the need to swap out stones. The lasting thermal applications help relax tissues, making your job easier, while your client enjoys dramatically increased touch time. Sanitation takes just seconds. The non-porous stones and shells need only a wipe with a board-certified solution, while the poultice and paraffin are both single-use and disposable. The thermaBliss Mobile Kit for Massage empowers you to provide 5-star sanitary thermal wellness services wherever your client prefers. The thermaBliss Mobile Kit carry case is both compact and lightweight. This spacious and versatile case has 3 zippered pockets, 5 pockets inside and out so you can carry whatever additional supplies you need, and a cargo net pocket on top for business cards. Each thermaBliss Mobile Kit for Massage contains a total of 29 single-use sanitary client-exclusive treatments, including a set of 2 non-porous ergonomic thermaBliss stones and 2 non-porous ergonomic thermaBliss shells, a total of 24 thermaBliss natural mineral charges, 2 thermal herbal poultices, each in its own self-contained water activation pouch, 3 Paraffin Anywhere with 3 dripless application brushes, 3 charges, and 1 portable base cup, and the attractive thermaBliss carry case. The total kit has a value of $165. thermaBliss for sanitary single-use client-exclusive applications. thermaBliss for on-demand heated and chilled treatments activated by water. And thermaBliss for the mobility and freedom to serve your clients anywhere they prefer. Get your mobile kit today. Join the sanitary revolution. Spa Revolutions stands at the forefront of thermal wellness solutions in our professional beauty industry. The entire thermaBliss collection is dedicated to empowering credentialed practitioners who share our mutual passion for enhancing the client experience. Globally, over 4,000 leading spas and salons use thermaBliss self-heating and self-cooling tools to improve outcomes, delight clients, and increase profits.